All right, so what we have here is a Husqvarna 6021P with a Kohler XT6 engine. This, a couple years ago, somebody posted on Facebook that this was abandoned in an alley behind their house, about 2 blocks from where I live. And they said, anybody that wants it, come and get it because they don't like it being in their alley. So I went and got it. And sure enough, it would not start. I tried it, put fresh gas in it, it just wouldn't start. So I wheeled it on home. Now I'm gonna mess around with it. I'm gonna try to take the filter off, get into the carburetor, clean it up. Because the engine has compression, I can tell that by pulling it. So I'll check the air filter, check the spark plug, clean the carburetor, change the oil, see what happens. But before I do any of the actual work that might cost me any trouble, I'm gonna take the filter off and see if maybe it's a dirty filter and it's just blocking the air. We'll find out. And this filter cover is pretty easy, no tool required, I don't think. Well, holy crap. There's your problem, folks. Can you see that? Look at that filter. Look at the mass in there. Right where the air intake is. It can't get any air. Alright, I don't know if I can start it up on this table. I'm going to try it. Just pull it and see if it'll start. With letting it get some air, I'll just leave the filter off of it. Let's see what happens here. See if I don't kill myself trying to do it like this. But I might be able to see if it fires over at least. Holy shit. Holy crap. Wow. I'll be damned. The simplest thing. Holy crap. Look at that. I'll be damned. All right. Well, I fixed the lawnmower. Got to get a filter for it. The problem is, I don't know how to fix this, or even if I'm going to worry about it. If I turn around, sell this for $40 or $50. But let me show you. There's a hole in the deck. Right there. Now, I don't know. I don't want to weld on it. But I don't think it's, I mean, it's still usable, or at least the motor is. I cannot believe that's all that was that filter. I'll be damned. Well, that goes to show you, folks. Check your air filters sometimes. I have never seen one clogged up like that. amazing. So that shows you. Before you throw your mower away, check. And if it doesn't sell, I got me a good crap mower for out here. You know? I cannot believe it started on the first pole after taking out that filter. This thing has been sitting in the barn for 2 years. I mean, I did dump some fresh gas in it before I tried to start it. Man, and it wouldn't start. So I decided to put it up on the table here, and I was going to get to the carburetor to clean it. I thought that's where the problem lied. As soon as I pulled that cover off, I knew exactly what it was. Holy cow. And this has the bag and everything for it.